Yeah. There's more in here.
Yeah?
Look. See this right here? The stem? You take this and dig around it.
Potatoes.
Yeah.
Potato. We found them after you came.
You got them?
Yep.
Dude, this stuff is broken down like really nice. Oh, there's another one down there. They go deep.
Hey, yay!
Finally.
Okay, we about to have way too many sweet potatoes.
Look, there's some going down here. See that?
I'm gonna need to turn this off to help you, honestly, because it's gonna take a long time.
I'll say something. I got these right here. There's another one down here. It's like stuck. It goes all the way down to the bottom. Oh, man. Sorry, babe. This is
How about you come over here and
Let's see.
what do you want to do?
All right, I'm gonna try to dig with one hand. No, there's. Oh, look at that.
I just threw the tire because it's something else. So you getting it with the stick, it's just gonna come out. You just miss daddy pull out
Bottom?
5 potatoes out of the ground.
Okay. Man, there's foliage everywhere. There's pepper hanging right down here on my face. Look at that. Let's do this one more time. That's a good size, right? Dude, I finally got some potatoes. This might be a decent video. If I can do my camera skills right. Let me see. Let's back it on up some. See where I'm digging. Oh, look at that. There's some more. I know there's a stem somewhere. If I can find it. Oh, there's a stem right here. Thanks, stem. Oh. Man, look at this. It's traveling. I don't want to break that any more than I did. Babe, gonna get in here and dig? There's more down there. Just let these things hang. See, this stem goes all the way down to the bottom. Babe, you gonna get your hands dirty? All right, look, there's a stem. See this right here? The stem that goes in the ground right here. Yep, you dig the hay around, and then the potatoes like grow like here's the stem. They go on the outside of the stem, like doing like over something like that. Well, if you rip them, then you could rip some of the potatoes. So I should have brought those shears. This stuff is phenomenal. I think that's the pepper plants over there.
Nice sweet potatoes. This goes out really far.
I see nothing. Oh man, sorry if this video is boring. I'm trying to watch it by screen, and
Maybe we should shut it off about each harvest.
you can't pause it, remember?
I mean, shut it off.
Okay. All right. So now we're on the other side. We got a little bit more in the raised bed over here. Now we're on this side right here where they're mainly going to be on this side right here, but some right here. More. Look at what I got. Look at that. That's a good one.
So you just pull these off of that?
Babe, look at this.
Oh my gosh. Do I just pull this off?
Yeah, just pull it off the thing.
Jada.
What's that?
Oh, shit.
Crazy. Just put it on like this right there. Yes, ma'am.
Jada, look. Put them in the barrel.
No.
Are you keeping like little ones like this?
Yeah. Big enough.
Easy breaking the string.
Trying to. Oh, there has to be one there. That one's a. If you have to, you can use those shears next to you and cut your way through. I'm just trying to clear some of this. Oh, there goes another one right here. You gonna dig this one up right here? I'll try to find another one. Hey, see how the sweet potatoes are coming from under the bed? Or is that?
I don't know.
Okay, it looks like it.
Pull that up.
There's some right here, babe.
Oh, what did I just
There might be. I don't know. This is what I started them at. I started them maybe 3 or 4 plants right here. Hey.
Oh, man, I shouldn't
Good job, babe. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What you got, mom? Dang.
Babe, you have so many.
Ooh, almost fell. Yeah. This is the 3rd video. This is what we got from the backyard. Check that out. Like this. Got some little rodent or bug damage right there. No matter. Check me out. This is like a record. Got these little guys in here. I'm sure maybe all these guys would equate to this big guy right here. Awesome, awesome. Now I'm going to my front yard. I have sweet potatoes right here. And I have sweet potatoes also in this thing right here. I don't expect this to do anything because I just planted that not too long ago. Probably about a month ago. I want to put the phone down and try to get it out. So, see some. I'm kind of scared. There's a grub. A little grub. Put you somewhere so you don't get ate by birds. Oh, look at that worm. Whoa. Crazy. Oh, come on. Please. My container garden is not good as of yet. I still got a lot to learn though. Sorry. I won't get anything in the sun. No, I wouldn't be sad. Yeah. That's one. I mean, it wanted to grow, and I had these with different soil, with different amendments and fertilizers and stuff like that. Not messed it up, but I did get this. Pretty cool. I'd probably put this back in the ground, or probably just put in the compost. Okay. Let's go. Let's spider webs. Oh. I would set the camera down at an angle, but I don't have like a selfie stand, stick, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna just do it like this. There we go. Oh, this is really promising. See some things in here. Ho ho ho. I think I'm gonna have my daughter come dig this up because she said she wanted to help. Actually, I'm gonna just bring this out. I'm probably sure there's some that grew inside the ground. Right.
Did you find more?
Yeah.
Did?
Yeah.
Ah.
You want to get some?
No, babe, I gotta cook. I gotta go up already. What, dude?
Look at them skills, canning skills and cutting skills at the same time. I have 2 different varieties in here as well. I had this this lime green variety, which I got from my mother-in-law. All of these came from one potato my mother-in-law grew last year. This right here, all of this right here, all of that over there. Man, all right. Oops. Here's that one variety that didn't do so good. in the pot. But I'm gonna focus on these guys right here. See what we got here. Root bound at the bottom. That's a good sign. I put this netting at the bottom because I got some holes. I didn't want the critters to come in from the bottom side and wreak havoc. Oh man. Oh, he fell out. Hello. What are we looking at? Oh. All right. Shake the top down. Huh? Oops. Got him. Look at that. Nice size. This is the best I've done container garden wise. Container meaning singular, meaning this one. I still got one more, this one, and other ones to go, so wish me luck. Oh, yes sir. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, Pee-wee. This last little clump right here. Just flip this over. Little guy. Man, that other sweet potato didn't grow at all. With those all look similar. Break this stuff up. Get everything out. Yeah, I think that's it for that container. All right. Oh, I'm gonna go get the other container. Last container right here, and they grew through the bottom of the grow bag. And I put some wood chips here a while ago, maybe a year or so. So maybe they grew inside the wood chips. That's another method I've been wanting to try, is growing things with just wood chips. Let the wood chip decay and let it do its natural. I might get a shovel and come dig in here later. The last one. Oh crap. Okay. I did the whole I want to grow but not really kind of thing. I did get these two little guys. Yeah, well, I've been trying to grow them for a long time and nothing. Okay. I could go in here, but I think I'll Go wait. Man, well the ones that are yellow with the yellow leaves, those are the ones. That's the sweet potato plant I got from my mother-in-law, and it's not doing so good from what it looks like. I planted that plant in here. This has been growing longer than all those containers over there. At first, those containers were in the backyard, but this one's been in the front yard the whole time. Wish me luck. Not a lot out of the containers. Huh? No, not really. I'm doing this one over here if you want to see. Girl, get your fine self in the house. I'm on camera. I hope there's potatoes in here. I mean, I know there's some, but some right in front of me. I'll show you guys in a second. Okay. So, this was the main potato I got from my mother-in-law right here. It's a beast, a potato. It was a big sucker too. Big boy. Got some over there. I don't know. Let's see. I want to dig by this this potato I planted in here. Oh man. Oh gosh, I don't remember this thing being that big. Oh dang. The potato, what? So these grew on the outside. You see how fresh this is? But this is the old potato right here. Oh man, that's weird. So the potato's like mutated on this thing. That's insane. 2 boobies on them. Okay. See what else we got in here. There's one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Katie! Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh, I broke it. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Oh, that's crazy. Damn. Excuse my French. Look at that. Oh my God. I love gardening so much. Ah, yes. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's take more right here. What else we got? Oh man, that was exciting times, right? Oh, there's one. Oh man, I broke him. Damn it. I didn't mean to do that. And look, he went all the way back here. Gosh. You are off me, mosquitoes. Dang. On me. There's something under there. Let's go find out. I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes so bad. So bad. This shit. Whee! Glass. Butthead potato. Come on, purples, where y'all at? Oh, here's another one. Not a bad one. I want to say, I mean, this spent a lot more time in the sun up here than those container ones. I would say would be my only guess. There's not a lot of sunlight in the backyard, but I mean, the other sweet potatoes grew in the backyard, so I don't know. What's up?
Seeing if we got any more.
Yeah. A few more. Man, that purple one took the cake, man. That, and that,
insane.
look at that potato. The one it has like 3 growing on the side of it.
Are these different kinds? Is that why they're different colors?
Yeah.
Those are rotted.
Huh? Yeah, no, they grew on, that's the potato. You see the purple stuff? That's like the add-ons, but the actual potato I got from your mom, and I guess there's like 2 or 3 big ones that grew on to the actual. Oh, this one.
We're gonna be eating sweet potatoes for days, weeks.
Big boy.
What's up there in that corner?
See, some damage. Groundhogs can have that. More bug damage. See, this one's trying to regrow again. Bug damage. Man, those purple ones are good. Hey.
That's a pretty one. Ooh, got to have some music added into this.
Yeah, I think that Unless I missed some. Okay, I love you. Yeah, I know. Woo! Man, I say that's a good potato harvest. I'll tell you that. Just move some more of this dirt around, see if I find some extras. Oh. Yep, more sweet potatoes growing inside the natural ground. Sweet. Oh, I just broke one. Yeah. Finally have a harvest just like the people on YouTube. It's crazy. I wonder did it take them as long though. Well, I don't know what I'll be doing in this spot next year, but hopefully it'll do great. I mean, this wasn't the best of hearts. I mean, I did get a cannon, a bazooka of a sweet potato. Gee. Let's smooth this out. Then, I don't know, I wish iPhone had a option to pause the video. That'd be cool. This video would be so much better. Now I have to go back and edit and do all this other stuff that I have no idea how to do on the iPhone, which I could easily find out on YouTube. I'm currently preoccupied with a lot of other stuff. So, and photography is not on my list. All right. Got some more stuff, some more sweet potatoes to dig up. Ow. Let's check this out again. Okay, so you can see the brown is the old potato. And then has new, unless it just, like this was trying to be its own separate plant. I don't know what happened. Look at that. And there's more on the other side. Like, geez. All right. So, I kind of want to do this right here, but I got my basil tree right here. Look at this tree, basil tree. It's literally like a tree, like a 3-foot tall tree. My other basil decided to show up. I don't even know how to eat with basil. Rubber plant. I love my rubber plant. My baby. I got this guy. I've never had this plant before, but I got this guy from the lady across the street. She's trying to downsize in her house, and she gave me a bunch of plants. And, you know, I'm not... Oh, she's watching a movie. Sorry. Oh, these mosquitoes are eating me alive. Look at that plant. So pretty. I love plants so much. What am I doing? What am I doing? We have one more container right here. I'm gonna be so sad. This is the purple ones with all the purple vines and stuff like that. I'm getting kind of discouraged by these other two grow bags. So take 5. I did the other container over there and it came out like the other grow bags. Nothing. But let's see what's in here. Here's a big guy right here. There's a guy next to him. I can get used to this kind of stuff, man. A potato harvest like this all the time. Look at this guy. Oh, they hollowed it out. Looks like a snail maybe? No, snails are underground, but it's all right. I got a lot, or I can just chop that off and use it. Acorn right here. I don't want that. Oh, this guy's going. He's going down too. Oh, I gotta be careful not to scratch this thing. No bug damage on him. My bad. Mosquitoes are after me. Okay, I'm gonna just set you guys right here. Actually, I'll just set you guys in. Oh, man. That's crazy. Well, I wouldn't have imagined of getting a potato harvest like this. I know I planted a couple more sweet potatoes in here. I don't know where. I don't want to dig too much about the basil tree. Disturb the roots. Let me see. Was it just one plant? Just wrapped around here? Well. Mosquitoes are eating me alive. Let's see what's going on right here. We got a little guy. Oh, I scratched him. There's another one. I didn't scratch him too much. I don't think he's gonna be a big one. Man, I really do want to dig this whole thing out. Oh, I think that's a stem going towards the tree. Bury him back in a second. I'm gonna buy this thing next year. It's called the mosquito magnet. Heard some good reviews, some bad reviews. I'm gonna try it because I want to come out here in the garden in peace and not be harassed. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, false alarm. Oh man, he's back there, ain't he? There's another guy right here. Oh, he's maybe a bigger guy. I've been digging up sweet potatoes for over an hour. This is great. Oh man. Oh, he's down there. Come on. Ripped him. Dumbass. Oh, where'd he go? Broken, but I don't know where he went. Oh. Let's get this guy back here. Since you're on the soil. Cool. still don't know where I broke him, but I don't know where he went. I hope these plants still, is that him? Yeah, it is. Now I'm determined. You know, disappear on me like that. Oh, it's all the way down there. You get a shovel? Nah, I pretty much got all of it. Something left of. See? This one. Wood chip stabbed me. Oh my God, this is hard to do with one hand.